Okay, now that's it. So those are all the little sounds you've just made.
I think I'm just gone weird.